All right, welcome to the open of the crude oil market. It opened up at 8 a.m. Uh, in America. America. Uh, well, it's actually it's a 24/7 market for the most part. It used to be the open outcry came in at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock a.m. So let's not concern ourselves with that. But let's talk about this was the close of the trade that we had from the overnight, and now we're in that process of looking for something new. And what we have right now is highest volume bar back here. And what we want to double check right now is to make sure that since we're on the third, is it second week? No, this is the second week of March. So next week, no, this is the third week. So we want to double check right now is since the market's open, is how close is April to May as far as contracts down here at the bottom. What I'm looking at, let me get my screen draw tool out so you see. What I'm looking at on the T4 platform is down here. What is that? What is this between April to May? What I'm trying to do is figure out how close are we to switching contracts. So this has got 75,000 here, and double check that again. Yeah, 75,000, and we have 221. So we're still actively trading, and then you just need to open up those again. We're still actively trading the April contract, so we'll keep our eyes on that for tomorrow to see if May becomes the active trading contract right now. So at this point in time, we can still say that April is the contract that we're paying attention to. What we can say about today's trading so far, after the opening trade that we got out of, and now that I'm looking at the 8 o'clock mark and past, I'm looking for a high volume bar, and what we have right now is a whole lot of nothing. So we had our bar up here at the this is above 1,000. Now this horizontal line is marked at 1,000 right now. It's close to it. It's about 1,004, right on the 1,000 mark. And so it's just there as a reminder for the eye. If you see a high volume above 1,000, we might have something to do at that point. Right now, we don't have anything to do if we're looking at after that trade was over, if there's anything to take advantage of. And this was the close of this particular trade on the 14th of March from the overnights. And if you look here on volume right now, do you see anything above 1,000 up to the current market? And the answer to that is no. So that's kind of the way I look at the market as an overall. Is what am I looking for? What am I looking? I'm looking for something to. Oh, by the way, I got my CT scan today done and my KUB for my kidney stones. So I'm thanks for the prayers and whatnot. But so what am I waiting on? I'm waiting on something to a decision point, a line in the sand, whatever you want to call it, to want to get involved in the market right now. So there's nothing to get us excited about it. So what I do is stand aside until I see something that I want to trade. So when I do see something I want to trade, I'll record it and we'll talk about it in a little bit. All right? Bye for now.